Today on What It Looks Like, I thought I'd try something healthy. Now I was at Target the other day and I saw this. It's called Veggies Made Great. This is what it looks like. And it's supposed to be really healthy. This is a spinach egg white frittata. And so I thought, hey, why not give it a shot? Let's see. I always eat egg whites when I make my eggs. So here I can add some vegetables into it. It might be okay. Now it was $6.19. So it has 6 frittatas in here. So it's just over $1 per frittata. So yeah, I guess it's reasonably priced. If you go to Starbucks, they have egg bites that are kind of similar to this, so we'll see. But this is what we're gonna do. Veggies Made Great at Target, $6.19 on What It Looks Like. And again, I thank you for everyone who has subscribed to this channel. If you have not subscribed, like I say, get it done today. That would be awesome. It would be awesome. So let's go ahead and get started today on What It Looks Like. Veggies Made Great Spinach Egg White Frittata, starting now.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
All right, let's get this box open. See what we're working with. Should open it up this way. Oh, they come individually wrapped. That's pretty cool. Kind of small too. I probably have to eat all of these just to be satisfied in the morning. Yeah, so we're gonna heat them on high in the microwave for 45 seconds. All we have to do is just add them into the microwave, keep them inside the bag, heat them up for about 45 seconds. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size, 1 frittata. Calories, 70. Total fat, 4 grams. Saturated fat, 1 gram. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 5 milligrams. Sodium, 200 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 5 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 1 gram. Protein, 5 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is somewhat similar to the box, although in real life it looks very green, whereas on the box you don't see as much green on this frittata. Also notice how brown it is on the box. Now I cooked one in the microwave and I cooked the other one in the toaster oven like it said on the box. Can you tell which one was cooked in the toaster oven versus which one was cooked in the microwave? Well, it was this one right here was cooked in the toaster oven, and it has a little bit of brownness on it, but nowhere near like what you see on the box here. Like on the box, I'm not sure how they prepared this one. It definitely was not in a toaster oven. Also notice how you do see a lot of the spinach in there, which is great. The egg whites, everything looks green. You can't really tell that it's an egg white. It looks more like a biscuit or something like that, which I guess is how a frittata should look. But overall, it doesn't really look as appetizing as what you see on the box here. The box looks way better than what you see here in real life. All right, what it smells like. Oh, you definitely smell the spinach. I mean, man, spinach is strong. It doesn't smell bad. I mean, it smells okay. It smells like a vegetable. It smells like it might taste pretty good, but overwhelmingly, you just pretty much smell the spinach. I can't even really smell the egg whites, which I don't think you can smell egg whites anyway. Yeah, it's an overwhelming spinach smell to it. I don't smell any mozzarella. It says it has mozzarella in it. You can't really smell it. You just smell spinach. So that's it. And it doesn't smell bad. Doesn't smell freezer burn. Doesn't smell great, but it doesn't smell bad. Yeah, it's okay. I almost taste a like a pepper or something like that. It's okay. I mean, the texture of it, the texture is just kind of like weird. It's kind of weird, but it's not bad. I mean, I feel like it's kind of healthy, and I could probably eat it, but I don't think I would buy it again, to be honest. Like it tastes okay. Let me see what the number one ingredient in here is. It's hard to put my finger on it. Okay, it's got, maybe it's the tomatoes I taste. Oh, it does have red bell peppers in there. I knew it. So it's got a vegetable blend. It says it's spinach, tomatoes, onions. Onions, yes, that's what I'm tasting. You know, I don't really care for onions too much, especially onions in my eggs. But onions, red bell peppers, so that's what it has in there. And it has some mozzarella cheese, it says, which I can't taste the cheese at all, but overwhelmingly, I definitely taste the peppers and the onions. But as far as the taste, I don't think I'm gonna buy it again. I might not even finish eating this one, I'm not sure. I mean, I like to because it's supposed to be healthy, so we'll see.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 7. Next up is taste. 6. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 6. Thank you for watching another one of our What It Looks Like videos. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.